Let's do our letters today, and we're only going to say the sounds. I will start you out, and then I'll stop, and you keep going. Ready? W, A, D. Going. Good job. All right, let's review our vowel sounds. We'll do name and sound first, and then we'll just do by names and then by sounds. Here we go. A, E, I, O, U, All right, let's do the names. A, E, I, O, U. Let's do the sounds. A, I, A. There we go. Good job. All right, let's review our trick words, and then we'll move on to something else. Ready? Here we go. S-A-I-D. 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 Said. Said. Mrs. Eiler said you can do these words, and I believe her. D-O, 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 do, do. Remember, it helps if you spell them, and when we spell them, we say the letter names. When we read them, we put the sounds together. Let's spell this one. T-H-I-S, 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 this, this, this. Good job. L-O-O-K, 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 look, look. Good. Remember, when you look at this word, when you see this word, that looks like the two little eyeballs that are looking back at you. M-E, 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 me, me. Good. F-O-R, F-O-R, F-O-R spells for, for. I am making these videos for you. Why am I doing them? I'm doing them for you to help you remember your letters, names, and sounds, and to help you to learn to read. Y-O-U, Y-O-U, Y-O-U spells you, you. Now, this won't make a real sentence because I don't have a capital letter, but pretend that's a capital, and I would say, we could kind of read this. and it would make a little sentence. If it had a capital letter and a period at the end, it would say, look for me. Look for me. Where would you find me? On these videos, sure. I wish I could see you. All right. Let's take those away. And we're going to work today on some beginning sounds. And we're not just going to find beginning sounds, but I am going to start by asking you a beginning sound. If I said the word hen to you, what sound would you hear at the beginning of the word hen? Hen. If you said the H sound, you found it. Now, what we're going to do today, these will be making rhyming words. And I made a lot of different word beginnings, or I made a lot of different words, but they're words that can show you how easy you could make new words by just changing the beginning sound. Let's tap this one out and read. Ready? N, N, hen. Hen, that's the word hen. Now, I took another word. I took the H away and put the B sound there. And I have a capital letter. And remember, when we write someone's name, we always have to have that uppercase letter. The word is B-N. B-N. Ben. And you know that my grandson's name is Ben. So that one is especially one that I especially like. And then let's do another one. We changed the B. We took the B away and put the M. Let's practice it. Tap it. M-N. M-N. Men. Men. Hen. Ben, men. Do you hear those sounds at the end? They are rhyming words. They all have the N in the word, which makes them a rhyming word. Let's get another sound, or another pack. All right. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word mad? Mad. If you hear the sound, you are right. Let's tap this one out. Add, add, mad, mad. If we take the M away and we put the B there instead, we have add, add, bad, mad, bad. If we take the B away and add that sound at the beginning, we have add, add, sad, mad, bad, sad. Good. All right, let's do another one. All right, let's do this one. If I said the word tub to you, What sound would you hear at the beginning of the word tub? If you said a T or the T sound, you are right. Let's tap it. Tub, tub. You hear it. All right, let's take that away and let's put the sound at the beginning to have up, up, rub. Good. Tub, rub. Rhyming words. Let's put this one there. We're going to take the away and put the for ub, hub. Sometimes they call a place where people gather the hub of things or the hub where people get together. So we have tub, rub, hub, and they are all rhyming words. Have a good day, and we'll see you the next time.